We have registered an FIR under section 302 IPC in police station Mapsa. Today afternoon we got an information, Mapsa police station got an information that a dead body is lying nearby this area, police station area. Police station se kam 1 kilometer दूर. So the police team went there and we found a person lying there. The neck was slit, so prima facie it appears like somebody has murdered him. So we have registered an FIR under murder sections. फिर identification से ये पता चला this the person is Nabin PK with Nepali identity. He has been working with tough security services in Mapsa. We have some leads. We are analyzing the CCTV leads. We have formed teams. PI Mapsa and SDPO Mapsa are leading the teams, and the investigation is